Leave a comment in the comment section. How many cars is 518 going to sell today? Whoever wins is going to get that number times 10, and I'll just cash app it to your Venmo. Scott, dude, how many cars do you think we're selling today?
Today?
Yeah.
Today's going to be 15, 20 tomorrow. I think Sunday we'll do 10, so we're going to go out with about 55.
From today, tomorrow, and Sunday?
Bro, that's what we do. Go get some content. Leonard, come on, get him out of here. Let us sell some cars.
You're not a real one in the car business if you're not drinking caffeine and doing some form of nicotine. How many do you think we're selling today?
20.
20?
20.
Dude, I love it, bro.
20.
I love
Get
it,
out
dude.
20.
I
Yeah,
like that
yeah.
sweatshirt,
20s.
Bro. All this cool shit. He's always fired up.
He's dope.
Oh, yo. Dude, nice ride. You about to sell that?
Yes, sir.
You are? Dude, let's go, bro. Look at our guys out here, man. They are shoveling snow. They're answering leads. They're making phone calls. They're upping customers. Dude, in Jordans, bro. Bloom, how many cars do you think we're selling today?
I don't know. I'm selling 4. I don't know how many.
Mark's selling 4 today.
I already sold 2, so what else can I help you with? Is there
That's
something else
it?
you need?
Only 2?
Is there anything else you need?
Is this number 3? This is number 3? What is he about to sell?
Trying to sell this Cadillac. I saw it at 14.
Oh, the light blue one with
Yeah,
the low miles on it?
Yeah.
Oh, what a nice car. Dude, did we steal the cars at the auction or what? How many cars do you think we're going to sell today? 20 cars? Yes, sir. All right, let's get it.
20's the number, bro.
Yeah, dude. All right, this is what we got so far. All right, so everything's on the board but today's, and we're at 107 right now. All right, guys, so look, we need to find a car that has a good LTV. They want a third row. Here, I'll tell you if that's a good one or not.
He's very large, man.
Okay. Guys, if you guys don't have V-Auto, get V-Auto. Seriously, you can't afford not to have V-Auto. It's expensive, but it's worth it. Alejandro.
Doing a deal.
Dude, how many are we selling today?
10.
10, that's it? Everybody's doing 15, 20?
25. Why stop at 20?
Dude, Alex thinks that we're only going to sell 10 cars.
Let's see.
Double digit day.
Every day. For the rest of the fucking year.
A tax money hit?
Oh, it's here. Dude, wheeling and dealing, boys. We need subscribers. We can't get the views without the subscribers. It's free to subscribe. Subscribe. The more views that we get, the more cars we're going to be able to give away. Dude, the more epic content we're going to be able to create. It's just a win-win, dude, and it's free. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button.